Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to make HD quality videos for YouTube. First you will need a screen recorder to capture the video. Then I'm going to show you how to do it with a program called Camtasia Studio 6. Also it's my screen recorder. Just open Camtasia Studio 6. Then you go to produce and click batch production. Then here you will add the video you will want to turn in HD. Here I will choose the HD test. I'm going to upload soon. Then you click next. Here you should I've already made YouTube HD. So if it's your first time, just click blog or YouTube HD. Blog. You go to preset manager. It's YouTube HD. No, you go to blog. You click new. Then you should name it how you want. I will just name it YouTube HD 2. Then the file format you will choose MOV, QuickTime Movie. Now this is the best quality available, but you will need the QuickTime player. You can download it in the Apple website. Then you click next. You click QuickTime options. You click settings. You make sure the H.264 is selected. The frame rate you put it on 30. Then the compressor quality you put it on high, on best, on best. Then the encoding, you do not touch it. I recommend you to do faster encode single pass. You click OK. Then you go to the size, the dimensions, 8200 times 720 HD. This is the size for the YouTube player. You click OK. Now for the sound, if you want to record sound, you click on settings, size 16-bit, use stereo, and the rate, you can leave it in 44.100 or 48.000. There is not a big difference, I'm gonna choose the 48.00. I click OK. Then OK. Then you click next. Now the video size, custom size. Here you can put your screen resolution, or I will put 1280 by 720. There is not a big difference, but 1280 by 720 works. You click next. Now if you want to include a watermark, here you have to follow the instructions. I don't want a watermark now, so I disable this option. And I click finish, and that's it. You have your production thing. Now you click close. Then here, when you have add the video, you just click YouTube HD or the name you named it. So I click YouTube HD. The second was only the test to make it YouTube HD. Then I click next. Here you put your output folder where you want the video to be made. Yes, and you click finish. And now you will just have to wait your processor to finish the task. Then you should just go to youtube.com. Upload. Press upload the video to select and upload the file, and you follow the instructions. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe, rate and comment.